Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel, giving you tips and tricks to help you with your worship keyboard ministry. In this video, I'm going to play for you a gospel arrangement of the old hymn, At the Cross. Now you can get a free PDF of the chord chart by clicking the link below, and in the next video, I'm going to break down some of these concepts so that hopefully you can apply these to other songs. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so that you can be aware of future videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. All right, if you're ready, let's get started.
Alas, indeed, my Savior bleed, and did my sovereign die? Would he devote that sacred head for sinners such as I? At the cross, where I first saw the light, and the burden of my heart rolled away. It was there by faith I received my sight, and now I am happy all the day. Was it for crimes that I had done he groaned upon the tree? Amazing pity, grace unknown, and love beyond degree. At the cross, where I first saw the light, and the burden of my heart rolled away. It was there by faith I received my sight, and now I am happy all the day. But drops of grief can ne'er repay the debt of love I owe. Here, Lord, I give myself away. It's all that I can do. At the cross, where I first saw the light, and the burden of my heart rolled away. It was there by faith I received my sight, and now I am happy all the day. And now I am happy all the day. And now I am happy all the day.
Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to keep an eye out for the next video that is going to break down a lot of these concepts that I'm playing here. And before you sign off, make sure to check out some of these other videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.